Welcome back, workshop enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguide.com and today we are at the workshop. In this video, we will be sharing with you our 5 best band saws. If you want to transform into a contemporary craftsman quickly, one of the keys would be getting a bandsaw, a must-have piece of equipment in every workshop. It can assist you in making straight cuts or carving intricate forms out of heavier wood planks in no time. So, if you have wood and metalwork projects coming up and you want something that'll make the process easier, well, you're in the right place. In this video, we've narrowed down a list of the 5 best brand saws in the market to help you maximize creativity and increase versatility. The team at TrustedShopguide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the band saws that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top rated options so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShopguide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first bandsaw on your list is the WEN 3962T bandsaw, which our team at TrustedShopguide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Reminiscent of your grandpa's powerful bandsaw, the WEN 3962T bandsaw is surely just as powerful, making it the perfect companion for any workshop. With a 3.5 ampere motor and a 9.75-inch throat, this beast will attack boards with cuts up to 6 inches deep and 9.75 inches wide. In terms of size, it measures 20 by 25 by 58 inches and weighs 73 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: 3-in-1 dustboard. The WEN Band Saw includes a 3-in-1 dustboard to fit various dust collection hose sizes from 1 to 4 inches. 2-speed operation. You can run the blade at either 1,520 or 2,620 feet per minute to meet the needs of any given project. Adjustable table angle. Its spacious work table measures can be swiveled up to 45 degrees, allowing you to create angled cuts. Complete package. This item is packed with additional accessories including a flexible work light to illuminate your workpiece, a miter gauge to cut along specific angles, and a 25-inch stand to keep the bandsaw elevated. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, although some users have reported that it's a bit challenging to fine-tune the unit when working with thin blades, the device performs quite well in general. The second bandsaw on our list is the Jet WBS 14DX Pro bandsaw, which our team at TrustedShopguide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. With its massive, super tough cast iron frame and a blade speed of up to 3,000 feet per minute, the JWPS 14DX Pro packs a powerful punch to cut through material quickly and easily. The rigidity of this newly redesigned frame also allows for even the toughest resawing jobs and saves you the hassle of using a riser block. As for its profile, the bandsaw measures 29 by 28 by 7 inches and weighs 247 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: high cutting capacity. To power through material of various sizes, this bandsaw offers a cutting capacity width of 13.5 inches and a cutting capacity height of 12 inches. Highly versatile. It offers a built-in retractable blade guard that moves up and down from 0 to 12 inches, so you have the versatility to work with both smaller and larger workpieces. Easy-to-view window. Safety is of utmost importance when working with spinning blades. That's why the Jet Band Saw includes an easy-to-view blade tracking window. With this handy feature, you're always aware of the blade's position as you work. Reduced friction. This bandsaw has upper and lower ball bearing guides that help reduce friction, enhance blade performance, and extend blade life. Mess-free workspace. The unit helps you keep track of materials and reduce clutter in your shop by featuring an enclosed stand with a handy storage shelf. There's also an easy access door so you can quickly grab what you need and return to work. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is it's quite expensive, but considering all the features it offers, this model is worth the price. The third bandsaw on our list is the DEWALT DWM 120K bandsaw, which our team at TrustedShopguide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Durable and versatile, this bandsaw from DEWALT features a powerful 10-ampere motor for operating various job site applications and cutting rectangular stock up to 5 inches deep. With dimensions of 23.5 by 14.2 by 7.9 inches and a 15-pound weight, it's ready to take on every project whenever, wherever. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: variable speed control. It can perform at speeds ranging from 100 to 350 surface feet per minute, and its variable speed dial allows you to quickly and easily select a perfect speed for each application. LED sight light. A convenient LED sight light lets you see the cutting area clearly even in poorly lit environments. Easy maintenance. This saw features externally replaceable brushes which allow you to make quick repairs whenever and wherever you need to. Ergonomic handle. The unit features an oversized multi-position front handle that offers plenty of hand space and easy adjustability, so you can get a precise grip and achieve more accurate cuts. Designed for durability. Some features contribute to its long life, including an integrated hang hook that allows you to hang the saw without putting it up and down. Also, a good steel shroud and rubber bumpers allow the saw's guards to withstand abuse on the job site. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is it lacks a locking trigger for constant cutting, so you need to press and hold the trigger while using it. The fourth band saw on our list is the POWERTEC BS900 Band Saw, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Another excellent model that everyone will undoubtedly love is the POWERTEC BS900. It is a premium machine packed with unique features but cheaper than the earlier models. This 42-pound benchtop bandsaw is designed to be an essential woodworking tool for delivering precision cuts and cutting irregular shapes up to 3 inches deep and 9 inches wide. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: adjustable and sturdy table. Its sturdy 11 by 11 inch work table is designed to tilt up to 45 degrees, giving you the flexibility to meet the unique demands of each project. Easy to use. The machine features a patented quick-release blade tension lever that allows easy blade change. Viewing window. It boasts inset viewing windows that help you correctly set the blade and tension for accurate results. Dustboard. This bandsaw has a great 2-inch dustboard to ensure better efficiency in collecting dust and keeping the workspace clean. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is it may not be suited for heavy objects, but it's certainly perfect for quick jobs and light materials. The fifth bandsaw on our list is the ShopFox W1715 bandsaw, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Buying a great metal cutting bandsaw can be a little more difficult than finding a reliable, affordable woodworking bandsaw. However, the ShopFox W1715 is an excellent option that works well on everything from steel and aluminum to copper, brass, wood, and plastics. In terms of size, the unit measures 41 by 18 by 14 inches and weighs 121.7 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: horizontal or vertical cutting. It can easily be set up for vertical cutting operations to make curves and pattern cuts. Mobile base. The W1715 features a built-in mobile base to move the machine to its desired location easily. Included vise. There's a vise for holding workpieces during horizontal cutting operations. The vise can hold stock for angle cuts ranging from 0 to 60 degrees. 3 cutting speeds. This machine can operate at 78, 108, or 180 feet per minute, cutting various stock with varying hardness. You can adjust the speed by changing the V-belt placement. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is it's a bit heavy, but it's a good thing it has built-in wheels for easy transportation. And there you have it, folks. Our 5 best bandsaws, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next bandsaw roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshop great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.